Here we have integer subtraction problem type 2. Again, I've left our cute little song up so that way we can refer back to it if need be. The one thing that I want to point out here is that we've got some double negatives that are side by side. Okay, and believe it or not, I've actually had somebody tell me they've never heard this before, but there is a saying that says 2 wrongs don't make a right. However, in mathematics, 2 wrongs, or in this case 2 negatives, make a positive. So anytime you see 2 negatives that are side by side like this, you're going to make them positive. Okay, once you've done that, then you're going to be taking -6 plus 5. They're different signs, which means we're going to subtract. And 6, of course, is the bigger number, and 6 is negative, so we're going to keep the negative sign. Again, with this one, we've got 2 negatives side by side like this, so we're going to make them both positive. So 6 plus 3 is 9. Okay, as you're working with calculator, you can put it into the calculator. I would encourage you to make sure that you use grouping symbols if you're going to use the original problem. For instance, our first original problem was -6 minus a -5. Okay, so as you enter that into the calculator, you're going to want to put in your negative, and then 6, your subtraction sign. Be careful, not your negative sign, your subtraction sign. Put parentheses, and then you're going to do your negative sign, press 5, and then close the parentheses. Once you have put that into your calculator, it will go ahead and give you -1. Okay, so I encourage you to go ahead and practice these with your calculator so that way you get familiar and you make sure that you don't accidentally lose a negative along the way. It's going to be very important that this negative is here. If you forget it, you're going to get a different answer. Okay, so make sure that as you look at the screen that it is mirroring or it has the exact same problem as listed in Alex in order to get your answers.